The best part about owning a pool? Swimming in it, of course. The worst part? Spending tons of time and money getting your pool ready to use, only to run into big problems a few weeks later. Luckily, we've got 6 tips to help you get your pool open and ready for swimming all summer long. Tip number 1, speed up your pool cover cleaning with the right equipment. Your pool cover is the first thing you'll need to tackle, but there's a good chance it's full of water, leaves, and nasty debris. There are 2 pieces of equipment that'll help you get your pool cover clean and off your pool quickly. First is a submersible pool cover pump or a regular sump pump, which will make quick work of most of the water on your pool cover. Second, a leaf blower is a speedy and effective way of removing leaves and any debris that's collected on top. Not only is it the fastest way, you don't run the risk of accidentally ripping your cover. Tip number 2, save money on supplies by stocking up early. If you own a pool, it's kind of inevitable that you'll be spending money on it. But with a little planning, you could save some significant dough. So before pool season officially begins, stock up on supplies. Most pool stores offer discounts on their products during the off season. So buy your essentials early, like a startup chemical kit, sanitizer, and test strips. And if you need to replace any plugs or filters, you might as well buy that while it's on sale too. Tip number 3, check your equipment for wear and tear. You don't want your filter or pump breaking down in the middle of the summer, do you? So when you're opening your pool and before pool season is in full swing, check all of your equipment for leaks, cracks, and damage. You'll want to check your filter system for damage or leaks. Make sure that the pressure gauge is working too. You'll also want to check your pool pump and pump lid for damage or leaks. Lubricate the O-ring on both your filter system and pool pump. If you have a pool heater, check that as well and schedule any maintenance it might need. And finally, check your pool cover for holes or damage. Real quick before we continue, if you're looking for an easy to follow tutorial that'll answer all your pool questions, go check out our Pool Care Handbook and video course. You'll get over 30 in-depth video lessons and a step-by-step downloadable guide covering everything you need to know about pool maintenance. It's packed with money-saving tips so you can save money and time keeping your swimming pool clean. This is the ultimate manual for every type of pool, including in-ground, above-ground, and in-text blow-up pools. And the best part is we always keep it up to date, so once you buy it, you have access to the latest and greatest version for life. So because you're watching this video, you can go to swimuniversity.com/pool and use the promo code video. Tip number 4, invest in an automatic pool cleaner. Maybe you've thought about buying one of these already. While this might be an expensive investment for some folks, a robotic pool cleaner will definitely make your life easier. And buying one at the beginning of pool season means you'll get the most bang for your buck. Plus, when you first open your pool, you'll be able to do that first cleaning in no time with the help of your new robot friend. Tip number 5, adjust your chemicals in the right order. When you open and clean your pool for the first time, you'll need to balance your water. But getting your water right means adding the right chemicals in the right order. And the first thing you need to tackle, total alkalinity. Total alkalinity is the water's ability to neutralize acids. It works hand in hand with pH, and they're the biggest factors when it comes to balancing your water. But pH is really volatile. Total alkalinity acts as a stabilizer for pH. It's like pH's bodyguard because it buffers acidity in your water. That's why you want to adjust it first. The recommended alkalinity range is 100 parts per million to 150 parts per million, with 125 parts per million being ideal. And the ideal pH level is 7.4 to 7.6, with 7.5 being ideal. If you want to learn more about pool chemistry, be sure to check out our other videos. Tip number 6, shock your pool at night. After you've opened your pool and you've got your water balanced, you'll need to shock your pool. However, if you shock during the day, the shock can burn off too quickly and not do its job. And that's a waste of money and time. So shock your pool in the evening or at night. And because this is the first time you've opened your pool in a while, you'll need to give your pool a double shock, which is twice the normal amount of shock. That's 2 pounds of pool shock for every 10,000 gallons of pool water, or 5 gallons of liquid shock for every 20,000 gallons of pool water. And that's it. Those are the 6 tips for opening up your pool. If you missed anything or have any questions, please leave a comment to let us know and to help your fellow pool owners. And hit the like button if you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about pool maintenance and troubleshooting, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one, and check out the Pool Care Handbook and video course at swimuniversity.com/pool. Don't forget to enter the promo code VIDEO to get 10% off. That's it. Thanks again, and happy swimming.